Hello, this is Avi Ben David at Mulholland, and I want to show you a project that we're done here in Valley Village, California. We did some more work inside, and as you can see the gate in there, and there is some more separation between the guest house and the house. I don't want to go in there right now because the owner is not home. But I'm going to show you the gates that were done over here, and I want you to see how pretty things are. I want to walk kind of slowly so I'm not shaking too much. And look at that, this is our 45 degrees angle design. It's to give you those horizontal lines that a lot of people like, but still better privacy. We put a simple fence in between. Same fence we put also along the sides, so those simple fences can act as a budget fence, just to have the ficuses grows in between, as you can see, and provide more of the privacy. And this is the sliding gate. I want you to see how beautiful the finish is. I'll go really close to the paint so you can really understand how it looks like. This is all aluminum powder coated. Of course, never gonna rust, simply cannot rust. So the maintenance on those gates are extremely low. And look how everything is nice and pretty. And over here, I'm gonna go a little bit backwards so you can see the slope. As you can see, this driveway has a slope, and you can see how we're dealing with the slope on the bottom. Nice and slicky. Small, nice wheels, very slicky wheels. So most of the gates you usually see like a large box, and it looks kind of not very slicky. We kind of fixed that area and made those wheels looks really nice and small, without too much of a gap between the floor and the gate. So if there are small dogs or things like that, some people it's very important for them, the gap from the floor. So we're able to deal with it. And that's the kind of work that we did over here. And it's important with gates that once you do them, you don't want it to start rust on you after a while, and start paint them and maintain them. And if you don't, then after a while, they just saying bye-bye. Very hard to maintain after we didn't maintain them for a long time. Look at the hinges over here and see how nice and sleek. Also, each one of those posts on the side is also having the pieces. So each one of those pieces get cut, get welded in the back so you don't see any of the welds. Have a cap from both sides, so each one of those gets cut and put on individually all the way down on both sides. A beautiful handle, a vertical handle. We also put on a mailbox over here, and an intercom system that can work through any smart device. You can also punch in a code and get in. The lock itself is a very good lock. It's a mortise lock. We last here for years and years without any problems. Very secure and heavy duty. It's not one of those quick set locks or some sort of a doorknob that after a while start giving a hard time and being cheesy. So those are the kind of things that important for you to understand, that that's what you want to look for. You don't want to have things that you don't want to have gates that will give you problems and issues. And those are the ones that we bring into the market. The aluminum, all powder coated, good locks, good hinges, nice handles, nice design, good wheels. Everything is nice and slicky, and we're doing it for the consumer to win out of a big investment. Usually gates are not cheap. It's a large investment, and we want you to get it right the first time. So give us a call anywhere you are in the world, and we'll let you know what to look for before you're putting in a lot of funds, a lot of money into that investment. Our number is 1-800-562-5770. My name is Avi Ben David. Please give me a call at any time. Thank you very much and have a beautiful day.